Hi, my name is Sergeant Jackson. I'm the traffic sergeant with the Pueblo Police Department. Came to you today because I wanted to speak about the major cause of traffic accidents in the city of Pueblo. The most common cause of traffic accidents in the city of Pueblo is following too close. Always remember to try and maintain at least 1 car length of distance between you and the vehicle in front of you for every 10 miles per hour that you're traveling. Too often what we see is cars that are following at 60 miles an hour with only 1 or 2 car lengths between them. And it just is not an adequate time to react to something that may occur in front of you. Other factors play into this, such as distractions while driving. Far too often what we see is people talking on their cell phones, texting, eating, drinking, putting on makeup. So take your time. Make sure you maintain a continual following distance of at least 1 car length for every 10 miles per hour. And in inclement weather, you're going to have to increase that following distance to even more than the 1 car length per 10 miles per hour that we recommend. Always wear your seatbelt. This will help in minimizing the type of injuries that might occur, including fatalities.